Hi guys, it's me, Emily. I'm trying to adjust my computer, sorry. I know I look like crap. I've been working on a paper for ever, and I just saw your video, Valerie, and and I was okay. And yeah, obviously it made me cry. I miss you guys so much. I've been with ICC so much. I mean, when I started ICC, I walked into the church room at the Greenwood Regional Choir place, and I met Miss LaGrange, and I was like, oh, it's just something else I have to do. I met this girl named Abby. She was the one who convinced me to keep with it. And then a couple years went by. I got to BC. I met Monica and Ben, but I still wasn't sure I wanted to continue doing it, even though music was this passion and love that I had. I didn't have anyone to share it with, really. I was going through a really hard time, and I met you guys on the New York tour. I remember I was not excited about being in that group because I only knew Maddie, and how stupid was that? I followed Claire around because we were friends. We became friends on like the first day when we both saw this boy and thought he was really cute, and I just thought she was awesome after that. And then I didn't like Valerie very much, which, I mean, that was a huge mistake. But we all had a great time regardless, and I remember the first time I really started to like Valerie was when we were in the elevator of the Empire State Building, and I was so scared. And even though we didn't really like each other, we didn't know each other that well, you hugged me and told me that it was gonna be okay, and that's when I knew that you were gonna be like one of my best friends in the entire world. And you are, and it's never gonna change. Sorry. And then we got back and we were in the same carpool, but there was all that drama going on between you and Claire. So it was kind of awkward at first. And then I went to retreat, and I hung out with you guys like the whole time, and I went up on that shaky ladder just because you guys promised me it was gonna be okay. And no matter what happened, you guys always had my back. I told you how mean Cody was being to me, and the first thing Claire said was, "Where is he? I want to beat his ass." And that kind of love and support, it means more than anything to me, and I really want to be there with you guys more than anything right now. But I don't know, for some reason God wants me to be here, and He wants you guys to be there. And I mean, it's not goodbye. Like, I'm gonna see you in a few months, and I'm gonna go before I completely lose it. But I just wanted to let you guys know how much I love you. Bye.